Hello, I'm James Walden. I'm here to discuss our World of Code Hackathon project, an exploratory study of project activity change points in open source software evolution. We wanted to see if software evolution was continuous or punctuated by changes. Change points are places where the statistical properties of a time series change, like the mean or the variance. And we see both types of changes in these graphs from OpenSSL. The dotted red line is the date that Heartbleed went public, and we see a tremendous increase in activity and in the variance of activity after that point. So once we saw this change, we wanted to see how common changes were in open source software evolution. And in fact, that was our first research question. We also wanted to look at the signs and magnitudes of those changes. And we didn't have time to investigate our other research questions where we wanted to see if change points indicated project events frequently, like the Heartbleed vulnerability, and whether we could find patterns of change points that indicated the life cycle of open source development. We collected our data from World of Code. We wanted projects that had sufficient history to find change points. And we found almost 9,000 projects with 4 years of history and at least 5,000 commits and 50 authors. And we found change points were abundant. In fact, 99.6% of the projects had change points. The median number of change points was 3, and 90% of projects ranged between 1 and 6 change points. And this was true of both the number of commits and the number of authors contributing per month. For the size of change points, we found that the vast majority of change points range between minus 100 and plus 100 additional or fewer commits per month. And there were some substantial outliers, though, where the changes were in the tens of thousands. We didn't have time to investigate those. They may indicate import from another repository, so we're not sure how real those are. In conclusion, change points are common. Increases and decreases in project activity occur in roughly equal shares. We want to go on and look into the meanings of these change points, but in the meantime, we do have a database consisting of about 9,000 projects with change points, which can be found in our GitHub repository. Our paper is also available in the archive. I look forward to your questions in the Q&A session. I'll see you there. Bye.